Here I have VIVO V20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard, languages. Then you have to tap the keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can type on your keyboard. So let's pick, for example, maybe Greek language, then tap done, and now let's try to write something down in the Greek language, and as you can see, now I have the Greek layout here on my keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.